Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we'll be doing figures of speech. So the first figure of speech that we'll be dealing with today is simile. Now we want review the definitions of these figures of speech as well as examples related to it so that you get a better understanding of what we are actually talking about, how to identify the simile whenever it is present in a sentence. So now let us begin with the definition as it reads: directly compares two unlike things using the words like or as. It highlights a shared quality to create vivid imagery. So, how to identify simile? What are we talking about? How is simile used? Why is it used? So, in this definition, we come to know that a simile is a word or is a statement or a phrase which talks about or which directly compares. Now, the important point here is that it compares two unlike things. As we can see, the unlike things are being compared using the words. So, if in a statement we see words like or as, and there is a comparison between two things which don't belong to the same group, then that particular statement is an example of simile or has an example of simile in it. It highlights a shared quality to create vivid imagery. So simile basically gives an idea, a picture, an image in our mind, a clear picture through which the author is trying to create or tell the end reader that what he is thinking about. Now let us go to the examples. The first example which we have is as graceful as a swan she is. Now you can see the word graceful is placed between as and again another as. So now she is basically a human being, right? A human being is being compared to a swan, a bird, right? So now the grace of swan is given or attributed to her. Let us go to the next statement. His mind was like a sponge. His mind was like a sponge, absorbing every word. So now what can we see here? What is mentioned here? It is that his mind was like a sponge. So now his mind is being compared to a sponge, which is a material thing. Next, let's go to the next example. The night was as dark as coal. So now the darkness which a coal has is similar to the color that the night is having. So night, how is the night? It is as dark as coal. So it is completely black. So night again is something which is not a material thing, right? So which does not belong to the community of things. So here we are comparing night with coal. He is like an enormous tree supporting his family. So he is now how he is helping his family like an enormous tree. So he stood by his family, we can say, like an enormous tree supporting his family. So like is a word. Now the person is being compared to a tree, an enormous tree basically. Next is he was as brave as a lion in the war. So he was now this person, whoever he is being compared, or his braveness is as equivalent to a lion's braveness, right? The way he behaved, or the braveness, the bravery that he showed in the war, was the way lion is brave in the forest. So he was as brave as a lion in the war. I hope it is clear to you all till here. Now we'll just go to the next